Your program plan tells the college what degree you are working toward so that advisors can help you choose classes that apply, financial aid or scholarships can fund those classes, and admissions can award your degree once completed. If your program plan is incorrect, none of those things work correctly. Anytime you change your mind about what career you want to pursue, you should speak with an advisor to help you select a more appropriate degree pathway so that you are maximizing your time, energy, and money here at Estrella Mountain. You can check which program you are currently listed under by visiting your student center at www.my.maricopa.edu and selecting the current admissions tile. If the program listed here is incorrect, you can update your plan online by logging into www.go.estrellamaountain.edu/program-plan-update-request-form with your MEID and password and choosing the correct program from the drop-down menus. If you're unsure about which program to select, please contact an advisor and they will help you choose the correct one to meet your educational and career goals.